is the distance, and I mean, the person was only going to tip $1.25, so I'd only get paid $5.98 to drive 9 miles there, 9.7 miles there, and then 17 miles back to my house. And whatever delivery distance it is, it just would not be worth it, not gas-wise. But I've already been knocked down to partner again, so I wanted a good rating, so I accepted. And I should have listened to my intuition, because I get there and it was closed. Sonic was closed. It closed at 11. I got there at 11:14, and they were waiting for an Uber Eats guy, and they didn't even get my order because I turned the machine off at 11. So that sucks. I told tech support at Grubhub about it, and of course, you know, they just cancel the order. I don't get paid for driving 9 miles there and 17 miles home. Really sucks, Grubhub. It's not cool how you treat us sometimes. Storage is pouring down rain, so I can't drag anything out to get to anything like the massage table, which I wanted to. Heavy duty winds, dust. Finally made it to storage, so starting to organize stuff. At, I guess at 1 o'clock, after I signed out, I went to King Soopers, got some groceries, and actually I was planning on just trying to pick up some like a masala curry, and I wound up forgetting it at King Soopers, so I having to stop at Sprouts. You know, it was like $7.25 for a jar of coconut curry. Just upset me. And so I went home, made up some buffalo curry and rice with veggies, and that was good, but it's definitely not worth the $7. Anyhow, I spent the next couple hours packing stuff up, getting ready for storage. So I have a full carload and the rooftop carrier full of stuff. And then headed to storage right now. It's actually 5 p.m. I still have to work at 10, so I hope I can get all this stuff done in time, because I don't need to drop any more shifts. Beautiful day still, mid-70s, I guess. Tomorrow's going to be in the 80s. And it did rain a little bit, which kind of sucked. I found one of my bins that I had in storage with some black water in it, I guess from rain from before. It ruined like a water pump and a Halloween cauldron for special effects. I was only able to salvage the candle molds. So anyways, trying to help a friend out with her dilemma. She's going through a breakup. That's kind of rough. Anyhow, on with the day. So evening recap after doing the Grubhubs. I picked up some Krispy Kreme donuts, which I didn't know were in Colorado. They actually gave me 16 instead of a dozen. That was nice. Nice treat from the south. Anyhow, got back to the house, gave Allison some, heated them up in the mic for 15 seconds. And then I went down to my room and called it a night. I did a little bit of packing, but I was pretty tired, so downloaded Arrow and Legends of Tomorrow, and fell asleep in the middle of Arrow. I was so exhausted. Anyhow, that was the night. Good night, Denver.